Initiating system startup.
Right, well here we go for our first launch on Launch Pad. First ride in its brand new iteration. Let's go. Arms and legs out, gotta be done.
Let's go. We are ready for launch. Stand by. Countdown commencing. 5.
Smoke underneath me, that looks awesome.
3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Oh. Whoa! Goodness. Oi! Wow, that does feel different. Fantastic. So a lot more power there. Nice bit of floater at the top of it there as well. Really good. Back to how it used to be back in the day as well when it first opened in the 90s. Absolutely fantastic. And of course, we'll be heading straight around the queue and back up for a second ride as well. But a huge thank you to Pleasure Beach for allowing me to film on here. Absolutely amazing. And the fact that I can share that moment with you all is incredible.